So now in the second part of the video we're going to focus on the deadlock, deadbolt up here. And this is basically pretty similar and straightforward. We have again these two screws on the inside, because it only comes with one, and as you can see those bolts are longer than the one we use down here. So, and that's it. That's how it comes out. Actual bolt, same thing here, two screws. My hand driven screwdriver, and then of course it is somebody painted it inside, and that's it. Here we go. As we did before, we cleaned up with the chisel a little bit that surface here, so we have a flat surface. And then to install the deadbolt, you can see this is looks already different, and it is not spring loaded. So we have here which says up, so we're gonna slide that in here. It shows up. As you can see, it's nice and flush. Again, we got two screws. We're going to use the shorter ones here. Then we get the outside piece, the actual lock. Make sure we're gonna go and slide it through the center. There's only one way it can go in. And then we have the inside piece. Again, this one here goes on like that. Then we got those longer screws here. Same here, they are horizontal. Okay. So I actually close it so I have access to the screw holes. See if it actually works. It does. Then we finish those screws here. Just hand tight. Here we go. Works perfect. Okay. So as you can see, we installed the lower piece, striker plate, and the upper one is already here in place. I think we'll leave that. And that's how it looks from the outside. So we have a new upper piece, the deadbolt itself, and then the handle down here. So that's about it.